I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure
Come on.
And so do we. Guys, look to your left. You'll see those doors are open and ready for you.
We didn't finish the whole
If you want
thing.
to sit there and watch the rest of the show, you can. I'm not going to stop you.
We can't.
Come on, you know how we
But
do.
I'm not going to stop anyone else from leaving. So, if you guys...
What about some backstage passes?
I love that idea.
There you go. I want you to walk in. All the way down, guys.
Yeah.
Because I know, like, well, at least during the previews, there was only certain people you had to get, like, clearance to kind of allow them to
Yeah.
film the whole thing.
Oh no, I got the whole thing. Wow.
Family got fast passes. We kept using their fast passes. My cousin would just use their fast passes.
Oh, you're using the old paper ones, right?
Yep.
Yep.
And we knew how to hit the back button on the back of them to test it, to get free fast passes.
Yep. All right.
And there's our launch.
Ah, the launch.
So with all the roller coasters, you ever get a rollback on top thrill?
Not yet. I always wanted one.
we had the group in front of us got one, and the group after us got one.
Here we go.
one day. Let's ride! And the feet flying up in the air. Say, chance in the high school days with the moon ready to just give me a chance.
Cool.
That was awesome. It has been a while since I rode it in the front. It has been a while.
Yeah, the front's good.
So they used to have it, obviously now they all count down, but it used to be there was 3 different cycles. It could just go,
Oh.
it could have a 3-second, and it could have a 5-second
Oh, really?
countdown. Yeah.
Okay, so it can just surprise you, like it, boom.
Yep. Yeah. Like you'll get the rumble, like the rumble start, like, like it always does, but it'll be like, let's go! Literally, you gone.
So it depends on the ride-off, probably they hit the different sequences or something.
Right.
Interesting. Cool, cool.
That worked out. That worked out.
You got a good one.
Hey, welcome back, VIPs. Exit to your right and rock on.
Okay.
Oh.
You'll,
Not towards you, let go.